Have you got tons of reading to get through? Articles, PDFs, or even textbooks? Speechify can turn it all into spoken audiobook in seconds. Speechify is a text-to-speech app that reads anything you throw at it. Web pages, documents, emails, even scanned images. You can choose from dozens of natural-sounding voices, adjust speed, and sync across devices. Alright, so now that we've, reviewed it really quickly, let's actually test it out.
I first heard about Speechify from my husband, who uses Speechify for all of his reading. I love using Speechify while driving, cooking, and going for a walk. I use it to listen to scripts for work and books for fun. I showed Speechify to all my girlfriends, and now they use it too.
A little Gwyneth, but, not all the way. And it won't give you anything else unless you actually put your credit card, and then you get like a 7-day free trial. But yeah, that's it. That's a quick demo of Speechify. It's available on iOS, Android, Chrome, and desktop, making it super accessible. People love Speechify for multitasking. Whether you're listening while driving, walking, or doing chores, it turns passive reading into something you can absorb on the go. It's also a huge help for people with ADHD, dyslexia, or visual impairments. There's a free version, but most of the premium voices and features like faster speeds, transition, high-quality AI are locked behind Speechify Premium, which costs around $139 a year or $29 a month. It's not cheap, but many say the productivity gains are worth it. Some AI voices still need some work because they sound a little robotic at faster speeds. And if you're using it for scanned pages, the OCR isn't always perfect. Also, offline access is limited unless you're on premium. So Speechify turns reading into listening, plain and simple. Whether you're a student, a speed learner, or someone with accessibility needs, it's one of the smoothest text-to-speech apps out there. If you want to compare it to Natural Reader or Apple's built-in voice features, let me know. And if this helped, give it a like, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video.